Imagine waking up one morning to find out your job has been replaced by AI. No warning, no training, no transition. Just an email saying, "Thanks for your service, but AI's got it from here." Sounds dramatic, right? But it's not science fiction anymore. From fast food workers to legal assistants and even creative professionals, AI is changing the game faster than anyone expected. We're talking self-driving cars, robots in factories, algorithms writing news articles. Things we used to see only in movies are becoming our reality. But is AI taking over jobs? Will AI steal your job sooner than you think? Or is this just another overhyped tech scare? Let's break it all down. The good, the bad, and what it means for your future. AI isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's already embedded in our daily lives. Think about it. When you order food through an app, an AI likely optimizes the delivery route, making sure your food arrives as quickly and efficiently as possible. When you apply for a job, AI might be the one screening your resume before a human ever sees it, filtering through hundreds of applications to find the best potential candidates. Even some of the ads you see on this very video, selected by, you guessed it, AI. Based on your viewing history, your interests, and a whole bunch of data points, AI determines which ads are most likely to resonate with you. But it's not just about efficiency, about doing things faster or cheaper. Companies are realizing AI can actually do some jobs better than humans. In manufacturing, robots are replacing assembly line workers, performing repetitive tasks with precision and consistency that humans just can't match. In customer service, chatbots are handling support tickets 24/7, providing instant responses and never needing a lunch break. And yes, even in creative fields, AI is making its mark. We're talking AI writing articles, designing graphics, even composing music. Remember those deep-fake videos that were making the rounds a while back? That's AI in action, blurring the lines between reality and digital creation. Self-driving cars are hitting the roads, navigating complex environments with minimal human input. AI can now analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs faster and often more accurately than humans, potentially leading to earlier and more accurate diagnoses. According to a report by McKinsey, up to 800 million jobs worldwide could be automated by 2030. Let that sink in for a second. That's 1/5 of the global workforce. So what does this mean for you and me? Are we heading towards a jobless future where robots and algorithms have rendered humans obsolete? The big question is, where does that leave us? Are we on the verge of mass unemployment, or are we unlocking a whole new world of opportunities? Believe it or not, we've been here before. Every major technological leap, from the Industrial Revolution to the rise of the internet, sparked fears about machines taking jobs. Think about the anxiety when the printing press came along. People thought handwritten books would become obsolete, and the scribes who specialized in that craft would be out of work. And guess what? Jobs did disappear, but new ones were created. When factories replaced weavers, factory jobs exploded. People were needed to operate the machinery, manage the production lines, and distribute the goods. When computers automated bookkeeping, IT jobs boomed. We needed programmers, system analysts, and tech support specialists to keep those computers running. The lesson? Technology shifts work. It doesn't just erase it, it changes the nature of work, the skills required, and the industries that thrive. The key is to adapt to those shifts, to embrace the new opportunities that emerge. The catch? Those shifts can be brutal if you're caught off guard. If you're clinging to the old ways of doing things, resistant to change, you might find yourself left behind. And this time, AI isn't just changing how we work. It's changing who can work at all. We're not just talking about manual labor or repetitive tasks anymore. AI is encroaching on fields that were once considered uniquely human, challenging our assumptions about what it means to have a job in the 21st century. Let's get real. Not all jobs are created equal when it comes to AI risk. Some jobs, by their very nature, are more susceptible to automation than others. Here are some fields already feeling the pressure, already seeing AI make inroads and transform the way things are done. Administrative jobs, data entry, scheduling, even basic HR tasks. AI can handle those in seconds. Think about it. If you can write a simple program to process those forms, to schedule those meetings, to sort through those applications, why wouldn't a company automate it? Retail and food service Self-checkouts and robot kitchens are cutting human staff. We've all seen those self-checkout kiosks at the grocery store, and some restaurants are even experimenting with robotic chefs that can flip burgers and assemble pizzas with incredible speed and precision. Transportation. Self-driving trucks and delivery drones are coming fast. The logistics and transportation industries are ripe for disruption, with AI promising to optimize routes, reduce delivery times, and potentially make roads safer. Customer service. AI-powered chatbots are getting scarily good at answering questions and solving problems. They can access vast databases of information, provide instant responses, and even mimic human-like conversation, making them increasingly effective at handling routine customer inquiries. Junior creative roles, entry-level writers, graphic designers, even video editors are competing with AI tools. AI can now generate basic articles, create logos and marketing materials, and even edit videos with minimal human input, potentially squeezing out those just starting their careers in these fields. The key pattern? Jobs with repetitive tasks, clear rules, and limited human touch are prime targets. If your job feels like you could write a step-by-step manual for it, breaking it down into a series of logical steps and instructions, AI probably can too. Now, this isn't to say that every job in these fields will disappear overnight, but it does mean that the nature of these jobs, the skills required, and the number of available positions are likely to change dramatically in the coming years. But before you panic quit your career and resign yourself to a life of robot overlords, let's talk about the work AI with, because as advanced as AI has become, there are still some things that humans do better, things that require a uniquely human touch that AI has yet to replicate. Creative innovation. Sure, AI can remix existing ideas, but coming up with truly original concepts, those groundbreaking ideas that push boundaries and challenge conventions, that's still very human. AI can analyze data, identify patterns, and generate variations on existing themes, but that spark of true originality, that ability to think outside the box and come up with something truly novel, that's where humans still have the edge. Emotional intelligence jobs, therapists, nurses, teachers, any role where human connection matters, where empathy, intuition, and the ability to connect with others on an emotional level are paramount, AI can't fully replicate. AI can process data and provide information, but it can't understand the nuances of human emotion, the subtle cues that convey meaning beyond words. Highly strategic roles, AI can analyze data, but big picture thinking, ethical decisions, and nuanced leadership, that's still on us. AI can provide insights and recommendations based on data analysis, but it's humans who ultimately have to make those judgment calls, weigh the potential consequences, and navigate the complexities of human interaction. Skilled trades, electricians, plumbers, mechanics, jobs requiring physical problem solving in unpredictable environments are tough for robots. These jobs often require adaptability, creativity, and the ability to think on your feet, to diagnose problems and come up with solutions in real time. In short, jobs that need creativity, empathy, or hands-on problem solving are safer for now. These are the skills that AI has yet to master, the skills that make us uniquely human. But the key here is, for now, AI is constantly evolving, constantly learning. So while these jobs might be safe, there's no guarantee they'll be safe. So with all this talk of AI takeover, you might be wondering, how do I make sure job is safe? How do I avoid becoming obsolete in a world increasingly driven by algorithms and automation? The best way to fight AI takeover: become the kind of worker AI can't replace. Here's your game plan. Learn to work AI. Master tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and automation software. Don't be afraid of these tools. Embrace them. Understand their capabilities, their limitations, and how they can augment your own skills and expertise. AI won't replace you if you know how to use it better than anyone else. Think of it as a collaboration, not a competition. By harnessing the power of AI, you can enhance your own productivity, creativity, and problem-solving abilities, build soft skills, creativity, emotional intelligence, adaptability, the human skills that make you irreplaceable. These are the skills that AI struggles with, the skills that set us apart in a world of automation. Focus on developing your ability to think critically, communicate effectively, and build relationships with others. Embrace lifelong learning. AI tech evolves fast. Staying ahead means constantly upgrading your skills. Don't get comfortable with the status quo. Embrace a growth mindset. constantly seeking out new knowledge, new skills, and new ways of thinking. The more adaptable and versatile you are, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the ever-changing landscape of the future of work. Think of AI not as a job killer, but a job. It's not about clinging to the jobs of the past, but about preparing for the jobs of the future. The people who thrive will be the ones who adapt the fastest, who embrace change, and who are constantly learning and evolving. So is AI the enemy, the harbinger of mass unemployment and societal upheaval, or is it just the next chapter in human progress, a tool that has the potential to unlock unprecedented levels of efficiency, innovation, and prosperity? The truth is, it's both. It's natural to fear change, and especially when it's happening at warp speed. When our livelihoods, our sense of purpose, and our very identities are intertwined with our work, it's only natural to feel a sense of unease when we see those things potentially threatened. But every disruption in history, from the printing press to the internet, started with fear and ended with new possibilities. The printing press democratized knowledge, leading to a flourishing of art, science, and culture. The internet connected the world, creating new industries and opportunities that were unimaginable just a few decades ago. The key isn't to fight AI. It's to understand it, adapt with it, and find your unique value in a world where AI is just another tool. Don't shy away from the challenge, embrace it. Learn about AI, experiment with it, and find ways to integrate it into your own work and life. The future is uncertain, no doubt, but it's also full of potential. And the best way to navigate that future is to approach it with a sense of curiosity, adaptability, and a willingness to embrace the unknown. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think AI is a threat to your job? Or do you see it as an opportunity to level up? We've covered a lot of ground in this video, from the jobs most at risk to the skills that will be most valuable in the age of AI. But this is just the beginning of the conversation. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into artificial intelligence. The future of work is being written right now, and we're all part of that story.